Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can properly fix the problem on YouTube where the comment section is not showing up. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I'm pretty sure that you guys have experienced this problem at least once before, where you're browsing YouTube, you find a video that you like, you click on it, and you notice that the comments aren't there. So this can be one of two things. The first one being, if you're currently on the website of YouTube like I am, it could be because you haven't refreshed your cache files or your cookies in a while and it just bugged YouTube out. Or if you're using the YouTube app on your phone, it could be because restricted mode is turned on, or the same one as I said in the first prop or the first possibility rather. So how do you actually get to fixing this? Well, in this video I'll be showing you guys two ways on how you can fix it. And I should mention that the steps shown in this video should apply to both the website on YouTube if you're on PC, as well as the YouTube app on your phone. So let's start with the one on PC. What we're going to do is we're going to delete our cache files as well as the cookies and refresh the YouTube page. So to do that, you want to open your browser and you want to navigate to settings like so. But let me actually show you guys the path on what you need to do to get here to this page that I'm on. So you want to open your Chrome and you want to click on the three dots or the three ellipses next to your profile icon here at the top right. Click on settings and it should take you to this page here. Once you're here, you want to click on privacy and security, and next you want to click on third-party cookies. Now, the way that I'm showing you is actually a manual way of deleting the cookies for a specific site. This way, it won't mess with your login data or your cookies for other websites and whatnot, and you should be good to go. So the next step is to simply click on See All Site Data and Permissions. And as you can see here, your browser will bring up all of your installed cookies and cache files. So what you need to do is you need to look for the site on which whose cookies or cache files you want to delete. So in this case, it's YouTube, like so, and it should show you a list of all the websites who have cookies and cache files linked to YouTube. So in this case, I want to delete my cache files for YouTube. So all you have to do is you simply need to bring your mouse over to YouTube and click on this trash bin icon here. But this is just a demonstration, so I'm not actually going to do this for this video because I want to keep my account and my cookies, so let's just leave it at that. So the next step is to, or rather the second method on your phone should be as follows. So you want to open your YouTube app on your phone and you want to click on your profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. So what you need to do next is you need to click on that, and actually it should show you the steps here on the path that you're supposed to follow. So you want to click on your profile icon at the top right, and you want to click on settings and you want to go to general. Once you're there, you should have the option to turn restricted mode on or off. So what restricted mode actually is kind of like a filter that hides all of the malicious content or words. It's kind of like a profanity filter for YouTube. So it's kind of like a safety feature that protects your kids or younger audiences from seeing malicious content or profane comments and whatnot. So all you have to do is you have to turn this off. So another way to actually issue is to clear your cache and cookies from the YouTube app itself, just like how I showed on the desktop app, or rather the website on your PC. But the steps here should be different, but will have the same effect. So let me show you just how to do that. So you want to go to your phone settings and you want to look for the option that says manage applications, or rather see all apps, and it should be right there in your face when you're in the settings tab. So what you want to do is you want to click on apps and you want to look for YouTube, and when you click on YouTube you should have the option to access your cache files as well as your uh, registered accounts or data files for the app. So what you want to do is you want to click on storage and cache and click on clear all cache files. Now I should stress that you should not, or you should avoid clicking on clear all data, because this will actually wipe the accounts registered to that phone or that YouTube app rather. So what you want to do is, like I said, click on storage and cache and simply click on clear cache files, and this should fix the problem. And once you're through all of that, you're done. The comments should now show up on your YouTube app or the YouTube website on your PC. So yeah, that's how you do it. Now the comments should show up on YouTube and you should be good to go. If you guys found this guide helpful, be sure to show your support to the channel by subscribing. We do have a channel where we do tech guides like these daily. So if you want to see more of that, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video and make sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all that said, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.